Ever asked yourself how to manage and store big data efficiently? In this digital era, we're generating more data than ever before. It's a constant stream, flowing from our smartphones, our computers, our cars, even our refrigerators. This data is an invaluable resource, but it also presents a unique challenge. How do we store and manage it all? The challenge is twofold. First, there's the sheer volume of data. It's not just about finding a place to put it all, but about doing so in a way that allows for easy retrieval and analysis. Second, there's the issue of security. With data breaches becoming increasingly common, it's crucial to ensure that our data is stored in a safe and secure manner. These challenges underscore the importance of a reliable and efficient data storage system. One that can handle the volume, provide easy access, and ensure security. Azure Data Lake, a scalable and secure data lake, might be your solution. Azure Data Lake, a cloud-based data lake solution, offers a robust and scalable structure for storing big data. Think of it as a vast reservoir teeming with raw data, waiting to be transformed into meaningful insights. It's Microsoft's answer to the growing challenges of data storage and management. Azure Data Lake stands out with its unique features. It offers unlimited storage, allowing you to store petabytes of data. It's highly scalable, meaning it can easily adapt to your growing data needs. It also supports various data types, from structured to unstructured, and everything in between. One of the key advantages is its compatibility with Hadoop, making it a perfect fit for big data analytics. Moreover, it provides advanced security features, ensuring your data is always protected. In essence, Azure Data Lake transforms the daunting task of managing big data into a manageable and streamlined process. Now the question is, how do you use Azure Data Lake? To use Azure Data Lake, you need to set it up first. So let's dive into how you can do just that. Setting up Azure Data Lake is a straightforward process, divided into a few key steps. First off, you'll want to navigate to the Azure portal. Once you're there, look for the Create a Resource button. It's usually located at the top left corner. Click on it and type Data Lake into the search bar. From the drop-down, select Data Lake Storage Gen 2, then click on Create. The next screen will ask you for some basic information. You'll need to select your subscription and resource group. If you don't have a resource group yet, you can create one on the spot. It's essentially a way to organize your Azure resources. Think of it as a folder on your computer. You'll also need to name your data lake. Keep in mind that the name has to be globally unique, so be creative. Now you'll need to choose the location of your data lake. This should ideally be the closest region to your users to minimize latency. You'll also need to select a storage account kind and a replication option based on your needs. Once that's done, you'll be taken to the Advanced tab. Here you can enable or disable hierarchical namespace, depending on whether you want to organize your data in a hierarchical manner. The final step is the Review plus Create tab. This is where Azure checks if everything is in order. If it is, you can hit Create and your data lake will be set up in a matter of minutes. Remember, these are just the basics. Azure Data Lake offers a plethora of settings and configurations that you can tweak to make your data lake just right for your specific needs. With Azure Data Lake set up, you're ready to start loading data. This is where the real fun starts. But that's a topic for another time. For now, bask in the glory of your newly minted Azure Data Lake. Loading data into Azure Data Lake is straightforward. That's right, folks. Getting your data into Azure Data Lake is as easy as pie. Let's take a few moments to walk through how it's done. Firstly, you'll want to choose the method that best suits your needs. Azure Data Lake allows for a variety of data loading methods. You can use Azure Data Factory, a cloud-based data integration service, to create data-driven workflows for orchestrating and automating data movement and data transformation. Alternatively, you can use Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2, REST APIs or Azure Storage SDKs if you prefer coding your own solution. For those of you who are more comfortable with SQL, Azure SQL Database provides a TSQL-based data loading wizard. You can also use Azure Data Lake Analytics, which is a distributed analytics service built on Apache Yarn that applies a dynamic approach to big data processing. Each of these methods has its own advantages. So choose the one that aligns best with your technical skills and the requirements of your project. Now, let's talk about the types of data that can be loaded. Azure Data Lake is remarkably flexible when it comes to data types. It can accommodate a wide range of data, from structured to semi-structured to unstructured data. Whether you're working with text files, CSV, JSON, or binary formats, Azure Data Lake can handle it. It's even capable of dealing with real-time data streams, which is a huge plus for real-time analytics. So once you've chosen your method and prepared your data, it's time to load. And remember, Azure Data Lake is designed to handle big data, so don't be shy about loading large volumes. It's built for scale. In summary, loading data into Azure Data Lake is not an intimidating process. It's all about choosing the right method, preparing your data, and then, well, loading it up. And the beauty of it all? Once your data is in there, it's ready to be explored. With data loaded, you can now start managing and analyzing your data. And that, my friends, is where the real fun begins. Azure Data Lake isn't just for storing data. You can also manage and analyze your data. It's like having a treasure chest, but the true value lies in understanding and making use of the riches inside. Azure Data Lake offers a range of tools and features to help you manage and analyze your data with ease and efficiency. Firstly, let's talk about data management. Azure Data Lake allows you to partition your data, which can help improve the efficiency of data access. You can partition your data by different factors such as date, time, or any other attribute that suits your needs. The next step is data cleaning. Azure Data Lake provides you with features to clean and transform your data. You can remove duplicates, handle missing values, and even transform data types. This ensures that your data is in the right shape for analysis. Now, let's move on to data analysis. Azure Data Lake integrates seamlessly with Azure Data Lake Analytics, a powerful on-demand analytics job service. This allows you to analyze large amounts of data and get insights in seconds. You can use USQL, a language that combines the familiarity of SQL with the expressive power of C#. USQL makes it easy to process and analyze data in the lake, whether it's structured or unstructured. Moreover, Azure Data Lake supports integration with Azure Machine Learning and Power BI. With Azure Machine Learning, you can build and train machine learning models using your data in the lake. Power BI, on the other hand, allows you to visualize your data and share insights across your organization. Remember, the power of Azure Data Lake lies in its flexibility and scalability. You can manage and analyze data of any size and type. It's all about making your data work for you, rather than you working for your data. Now you know how to manage and analyze data in Azure Data Lake. The journey doesn't stop here, though. There's always more to discover, more to learn, and more to do with your data. The world of Azure Data Lake is vast and full of opportunities. Dive in and explore. Let's take a moment to summarize what we've learned about Azure Data Lake. Azure Data Lake is a powerful and versatile solution developed by Microsoft, designed to address the challenges of data storage and management. It's a scalable, secure, and highly efficient platform that enables businesses and data scientists to store and analyze large volumes of data. One of the key features of Azure Data Lake is its ability to handle big data. It's designed to process and store petabytes of data, making it an ideal choice for businesses dealing with large volumes of information. This platform is not limited to structured data alone. It can also handle unstructured data, thereby making it versatile and flexible. Azure Data Lake also provides a high level of performance. It uses USQL, a language that unifies the benefits of SQL with the expressive power of user code. This allows data scientists to process data more effectively. USQL's scalable distributed query capability enables users to efficiently analyze data in the store and across SQL servers in Azure, thereby accelerating data exploration and generating insights faster. Moreover, Azure Data Lake is highly secure. It provides enterprise-grade security, including firewall support, virtual network service endpoints, managed service identity, and Azure Active Directory integration. These features ensure your data is always protected and accessible only by authorized users. Setting up Azure Data Lake is a straightforward process. Microsoft provides comprehensive documentation and support to guide users through the setup process, making it accessible to users of all levels of tech savviness. Once your data is in the lake, managing and analyzing it becomes a breeze. Azure Data Lake supports a wide range of analytic tools, allowing data scientists to use their preferred methods for data analysis. In conclusion, Azure Data Lake is a comprehensive solution for data storage and management. It offers scalability, security, and versatility, making it a top choice for businesses and data scientists. With Azure Data Lake, managing and storing big data efficiently is no longer a challenge.